Alright guys, what is good? So this is still the 3rd of November, particularly 11:43 p.m. So I'm just giving a breakdown and a wrap up for all I have done for the day. So far, having this guy. Well, I was supposed to be on this, or I'm supposed to be on this trade, but then my broker did not get me tagged. The price came very close, then I was not tagged, and price has moved in my direction. So presently at the moment, I'm not going to be trying to get into this guy. I already have my pending order deleted, and it's actually annoying, right? For one's broker to disappoint you. The price comes close, it tags you, but then your broker does not tag you in. So basically that was it. So as you can see, it was just a very good sniper entry and then a bounce off, an immediate bounce. Alright, so this is supposed to be my recovery trade for BTC for the three losses I've had. Um, so it's all good anyways. For now, I'm not going to be doing anything anymore. I just want to go and sleep, right? So for this guy, that's what I had, and this is what I have done. So breakdown on what happened. So we had volume to the downside, just like we were saying, right? So I was anticipating a pullback here earlier on so that I can sell directly. So I didn't get that, and then I have the invalidation of this low. So what I was just looking out for is pull back into this flip zone here, right? And then how is price pulling back? So price was pulling back basically on the 5 minutes. So let's just go back. 1 hour, this pullback, nothing. 30 minutes, right? Nothing based on here. 15 minutes, nothing based on here. So this was on the 5 minutes. Okay, so pull back into the 5 minutes. I waited for the closure of the 4 hours candle. So somewhere around coming just to confirm, this bearish candle now opened around 21 o'clock. So 21 o'clock was when I was looking at price. So that was um, somewhere around here. Yeah. Okay, so by then we've already had the break and we've had the tag here. Okay, so the tag came from this. So I did not get into this first tag, right? So I didn't get into this first position, else my initial entry was supposed to be there, right? So while I'm having my target there, and overall I'm actually looking at price heading lower to clear the lows right here. Okay, but realistic target wise, this is what I'm supposed to be having. So first entry, break of structure with body, then pull back. Okay, for my second entry. So I wanted getting into the second entry and not the first entry. So that was where the invalidation came from. And presently now, even when we go to the 1 hour, we can now see that structural wise everything has started aligning with what with direction. So the thing is, I'm not just going to be doing anything because I've missed it to me, right? So not my fault anyways. So we can see this. So everything now is aligning structural wise. So I don't get into more than two positions at a time, so you can see that structure there. Okay, so basically just good enough, right, for me. So I'll just be waiting out. I would rather love to see more, let's say, invalidations to the upside. Okay, so yeah, we can get maybe something like this into tomorrow. Get, let's say, sorry, making use of my trapper. So can get into something like this, down, up, not that up. Basically volume to the upside, down, up, and then this, then to reclaim price and push to the downside. So that is what I am looking out for BTC. Okay, so also I had a trade today on GPUSD, right? So basically what I had was price came into my POI rather, yeah, somewhere around that region. Then looking at how price pulled back. So that is that position just there. So I entered from there after the shift. So yes, that was due to from yesterday's analysis that we had, right? So price later pushed the upside, which I made mention of in the morning. Then volume. So we have this inducement and then that entry there, and we had volume to the downside. Took some profits, had my this thing on break even and there, and then so I took two trades for today, other than this BTC that just messed up. That was messed up by Xness. So I took two trades for the day, one as a break even, so it took a little bit of profits, and then yeah, so this was basically the setup here. And when it got tagged and price moved in our direction, and then when it pulled back to the break even, okay, so then this guy, okay, so USD card also hit CP. So yeah, this was basically all that I did for the day. So peace and love. Catch you on the next one.